Trivia question. What does Bridget Fonda, Greg Gutfeld, Elvis Presley, and Jimmy Buffett have in common? Well, they're all proud owners of a Nash Metropolitan of some such year. And this, my friends, is a Nash Metropolitan. 1500cc little motor, rebuilt, 3-speed on a tree, and let's not forget about the flying goddess they have as a hood ornament. It's quite something. It's a different era car. It's, for me, a little hard to get into, but once you're in it, it's huge. 3 on a tree, it's a cool little car. 1960, it's a different type of car. It's got a little spare tire on the back. Oh look, you got trunk space. It's a cute little car. It's very tiny, but it's fun. Take a look at it, Jake. Take a look at the inside. Oh. Look at it, look at it. 3 on the tree. Why don't we just take it for a spin, but we're not gonna go too far.
Sounds good.
First, down towards me. I gotta give it the beans. Okay, sorry it makes me laugh, Jake, but it does. This car makes me laugh.
Sorry, technical difficulties with the camera.
Not the car. The car's mechanical. It's doing just fine.
The car drove great up until this point, but I just wasn't recording because my phone decided to turn off. But here we go. Second gear. Oh, look at that.
Giving it all the beans I got.
It's smooth.
It really does drive nice. And I love the flying lady.
I love how the blinker is that. That's the blinker up there.
It's something, isn't it?
It is something.
I'll be honest, I didn't think we'd ever get to 60. Okay, here we go. To give it some brake. Oh, got it in a second. It's very accepting. I love an accepting second gear. It just floats around.
I know.
It's kind of a fun car.
It darts. Watch out for this Jeep.
He's definitely, yeah. Give it the beans!
It actually drives really nice.
I left the ball in the dust. It's funny. I just like it. I don't know why. I can't stop smiling when I drive it. It's plucky. You didn't get to drive it, Jake. Aren't you sad? What's wrong?
I've driven
Jake?
it before.
It's true. You're the one who got it started. She sure does like when you give it beans.